Welcome back to the channel, transforming your depth into a style and comfortable outdoor retreat. Do not have to choosing cost and a fortune with a little created smart plan or spend. You can decor your depth on the budget while still stacked a choosy height and look. Whether you have a smart depth, an old wood depth, or a smart contract platform, those budget friendly depth decoration idea will help you create a beautiful outdoor space perfect for rustic entertain or enjoy family time. Start with a simple plan. Before buy anything, take a moment to plan how you want to create, use your depth, long entertain guests, or a mix of everything, messaging your space. Choose one main functional this doors space and help your own only words you term need. Stream to you color scheme such as need, theme, shade, choosy blue also keep your decor look excellent size and interrupts. Refresh the tab full on a budget. A clean tab entertain look better. Start by switch and wash it if the wood look during simple managing entertain interior print of complete transforming it at a low cost for recessed contemporary solve consider our outdoor range make for recycle plants to a tropicaling. There are affordable weather resisting and add color and comfortable without permanent change. Second, handmade functional. Outdoor furniture can be explored, but those are main budget alternate. Choose stone, or only marketplace for use functional, a fresh cost or swim, or outdoor place can make old chair and table look bring new. Wood palette are another great use theme to create soft coffee table or bring add cost how you have custom swing for a functional of your price. Budget friendly light idea. Light can complete change the wood moment of your tap and it's do not have to be extend solar scheme light, fitting light or affordable and electric effect hand sticky light amount hand over and a warm and white glory use LED light solar latching on table or a choosy to create embrace without warm a boot electric or homed. Add gardening without overswim. Plants bring life or freshness to any depth interior.